Officers respond to what appears to be a routine medical call, but the truth is far darker than anyone expects.
After 2 young children were allegedly killed at the hands of their mother. Officers head inside the home and redact the screen due to the severity of the crime, but moments later emerge with the suspect.
Oh, all right. Is there one back there? I don't know whose that is. Mine's like a block and a half away.
What do you need?
We got one right over there.
You're here somewhere.
We got one right there on the road.
Yeah, all right, we're gonna walk down that way for now. Okay. 21's probably the closest car.
Police identify the woman seen here as 27-year-old Naomi Elkins, who was handcuffed after Hadzola Medical Services, paramedics dedicated to the large Orthodox population in the area, tried and failed to save her kids ages 1 and 3. According to the county prosecutor, investigators later discovered both children had been drowned in separate bathtubs, and the 1-year-old had additionally been stabbed with a knife.
Okay.
21's probably the closest car. Yeah, we're about 21.
Yeah, I mean, it's just being taped too, but we could, whatever. I mean,
We can move it. It doesn't matter.
all right, here, we're just gonna start walking. This vehicle right here, we're just gonna walk across the grass, okay? 334. Is she out here or no? I don't remember if she made it out.
She was on call.
Yeah, are you tied up? Yeah, we're probably just gonna have you respond to headquarters for a search. Okay, I'm just gonna open this up for you. I gotta just pass you down with the back of my hand, okay? Do you have anything on you I need to be concerned about? Any sharp objects? I'm just gonna seatbelt you in for now. Yeah, I've asked her 0 questions other than, is that your phone on the floor? She said yes.
Her phone, I think her purse is on the table. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I haven't even been in the house. I grabbed the log and then I don't even know what the hell's going on.
Yeah, it's
Where's
the husband is MIA. I don't know where he is. Apparently someone's trying to reach him.
Are there any other kids?
As far as they know, no. They I don't know how they confirmed it, but Hatzola said they only are aware of 2. So, I'd like to still get confirmation on that.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know.
Naomi is secured in a patrol car while investigators head
Inside the home, something feels disturbingly clean, a freshly mopped floor, but no blood.
Police have again redacted the screen.
You say unmuted? So. When I came in, mom was sitting here already with them. Looks like the kitchen's been freshly mopped. This mop was here with the bucket knocked over. I don't know where their bags might be in the... So the kitchen drawer's open, so just...
This is all done too.
Yep. So you got a phone there. There's that soul bag in there. Trey, I got gloves. You want me to grab it? Yeah, just in case there's anything else on it. There's an AED in here too. Yeah, there's one over here. Yeah. This is a medic bag, right?
Yeah, that's a medic bag.
That's what I'm just making sure we're not taking like her luggage.
Did anybody saw a knife?
He said it was. They thought it was in one of the bathrooms, but I don't want to walk away for major crimes in CSI. Come photograph everything. We're trying to see. They said there was another door.
Probably right there. That'll go upstairs. The lock downstairs, right? To go,
That's what they said that locked door was.
But you gotta make sure it's secure in there.
Yeah, that's why I just want to make sure. Yeah. Yep, so that's secure. Yeah, it's locked from the other side.
Okay. But this is what we came in.
It's when I first walked in, this was, I mean, it still is. There's a puddle with a bucket here. I didn't see any blood when I came in, but I don't know if that's what.
But she was clean. Well, this is freshly mopped.
So when I walked in, this is where
Mom was in here.
Mom was sitting right in this chair already, but I don't know where she was when they found him. I think they said she was sitting right over here.
CSI.
Yep.
We're going to get an officer on the other end of Shannon door. We still have traffic incoming and out coming out.
It was an AED. Yeah, we got that too. And a bag or stuff.
That's my extra equipment. Last one out? 102.
Oh, there's a bag down there too.
This one. This I just brought
No,
this
there's one more bag.
Gonna put this here.
Are you able to take it out? Or you want to leave it in?
For right now, we're gonna leave it in.
Maybe leave this here with you guys?
Thank you very much.
It's up to you. We got a better answer,
Maybe next
but
time.
we'll be able to go in the probably in a few minutes. We're just waiting on CS out of here.
Meanwhile, another officer gets Naomi on her way to police headquarters.
Yo, Flex.
Hey.
She says I'm her children. And her children are deceased.
How old?
I don't know. Crazy. All right. You step out.
Stand up.
Yeah, you step out.
No.
Is it going to be a female officer coming in and search you?
What?
A female officer is going to come in and search you. Okay. And once she's done, we're just going to take one hand out and we got to cuff you to the bench. Okay.
You're gonna what?
We have to take one hand out and cuff you to the bench once she's done searching.
Okay.
Cuff you to the bench. There's a D ring on the bench. We just got to cuff you to the bench. Okay. Until, I guess, we figure out what's going on. All right.
Every photo, every swab, every footprint builds the case. A quiet march